Greetings from Swaziland, comrades, brothers, and sisters, and all democracy-loving people of the world. I'm Comrade Nkhambule, the General Secretary for Swaziland Transport, Communications and Allied Workers Union. The upcoming summit on democracy in Southern Africa at the end of March 2023 is coming at a time when my country and its citizens are raising critical voices around democracy calls in my country. In response to this, the regime has unleashed its military might against innocent and unarmed citizens. In June 2021, the government, in response to protests that were calling for democracy, it unleashed its security forces and killed over 100 of our peoples. Several others were arrested and dozens injured. The massacre and butchering of democracy activists is continuing even today. Many more activists have been killed and others forced to flee the country in fear of their lives. Trade union leaders like myself, you have not been spared. As I'm talking to you, I'm away from my motherland because the regime has unleashed its forces against me. We have lost too many activists and it cannot continue. We call on you, comrades, brothers and sisters, to support and amplify the call for democratization of Swaziland as we even prepare for the summit. Your calls will ensure democracy and workers' rights in Swaziland are respected.